Hi class, how are you today?
Good.
Good, alright, we're going to have eyes on me today. We're going to begin our math lesson. So I need you to be in your desk. Where do I need you to be?
In our desks.
Good, that's a great job. Now that you are in your desk, I need your eyes up on the board and your ears ready to listen. Where do I need your eyes and ears?
Up on the board and ready to listen.
Excellent responding, Heidi. Thank you. Now that you are in your desk, I need you to listen carefully and answer the questions together. How are you going to listen and answer the question?
Carefully and together.
Great job! Excellent. Okay. We are now going to review what a circle looks like. Do you know what a circle looks like?
I think so.
Okay. We're going to look at these shapes right here just to review what a circle is. Circles have 0 sides. How many sides does a circle have?
None.
Excellent. So, let's look at these shapes right here. Is this a circle?
No.
No, it's not a circle. Is this a circle?
No.
What about this shape?
That's a circle.
That is a circle. What makes this a circle?
It has no sides.
0 sides, correct. Let's see here. Okay. We are going to move on over here. So today we are going to go over learning fractions for different kinds of pie. Do you like pie?
Pie's good.
Pie's good. What's your favorite kind of pie?
Apple pie.
Apple pie? Lemon meringue is my favorite pie.
That's a good one.
Yeah, it's good. Okay, so in order to get to the pies, we have 5 easy steps that we're going to go through. And so first, step 1 is check to make sure the circle or the pie, we're going to talk about pies, so a pie is a circle. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we're going to make sure the pie is a closed circle. So looking right here, is this a closed circle?
Mm-hmm.
This is a closed circle. The pie is closed. So next, step number 2, we're going to estimate that all pieces are equal size. So we're going to look at our circle, our pie. We're going to look at the pieces of the pie and see if they look about the same. Do these pieces of the pie look about the same to you?
Mm-hmm.
They do. Excellent. Next, I count the total number of pieces in this pie. So how many pieces of pie? Let's count together. So are you ready?
1, 2, 3, 4.
There are 4 pieces of pie in our whole pie. Step number 4. After we count the number of pieces, we are going to write the number of pieces, so all the pieces, on the bottom of our fraction. So we do the fraction right. We learned that yesterday. And we're going to do 4 underneath. Okay? Alright. The next step is count and write number of shaded pieces. So looking at our pie right here, our apple pie, how many pieces are shaded? 1. Excellent. Thank you for your help. I appreciate that. So after we count the shaded piece, we're going to write the number above the fraction. This is called the numerator. Okay. So our last and final step is we're going to say the fraction that represents the number of shaded pieces of the pie. Okay, so let's all say this number. Ready?
1/4.
Great job. Thank you for your help on that. Let's go now to this pie. When we write fractions for different pies, we use these 5 easy steps that we just went over. Remember? The 5 easy steps? So, here is our pie. Together, what is step number 1?
Make sure that the pie is a closed circle.
Excellent. So let's look at this pie. Let's make this one a chocolate pie. So is our chocolate pie closed?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Okay. Together, what is step number 2?
Make sure that all of the pieces are equal.
Good remembering. In step number 2, we check to make sure all the pieces of the pie are equal. So looking at our chocolate pie, do those pieces look about the same to you?
Yeah.
Great job, class. Thank you for all participating. Together, what is our third step?
Count and write the total number of pieces in the pie.
Thank you, class. That was enthusiastic responding. Okay, here we go. Our chocolate pie. Let's all count. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now what do we do after we count our pieces?
Write the number of pieces on the bottom of the fraction.
Great job. We write the number of pieces on the bottom of our fraction. Step number 4 all together is?
We count and write the number of shaded pieces.
Thank you, class. Okay, so let's count. Ready all together?
1, 2.
2 shaded pieces. Okay, our last and final step, class. Let's say it together. Ready?
Say the fraction that represents the number of shaded pieces of the pie.
Thank you. Okay, class, all together. This number is?
2/5.
Great responding. Thank you for your help. Okay, we're going to move on to the pear pie right here. Okay?
Okay.
This time I'm going to call on each one of you individually to see if you're paying attention. Okay, so here we go. Here is our pie. What is the first step, Heidi?
Make sure that the pie is a closed circle.
Okay, so looking at this pie, is this a closed circle?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Thank you for your help. All right, step number 2 is Lulu. What is step number 2?
Estimate that all the pieces of the pie are the same size.
Thank you, Lulu. What great help you are. So looking at this pie, are they about the same size?
Yes.
Yes, they are. Great job. Okay, step number 3. I'm going to look for someone that's paying attention so well. All right, Sam. What is step number 3?
Count and write the total number of pieces in the pie.
Great. Ready? Go ahead, Sam.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Great. And then what do we do after that?
Write that number on the bottom of the fraction.
Wow, good memory. All right, step number 4. Step number 4. Let's ask Mary. What's step number 4?
Count and write the number of shaded pieces.
Great. Okay, so Mary, looking at this, this is a pear pie. How many shaded pieces do you see?
1.
1. Thank you, Mary, for telling me. Okay. And last but not least, the last step, step number 5, is Heidi.
Say the fraction.
Say the fraction. So looking at this pear pie, what fraction do you see?
1/5.
1/5. Great responding. Thank you for your help. All right. So now that we've worked on this together, and I've chosen you individually, I have this fun worksheet that I made for you. So here you are. We're going to work on that today. So, everyone look at the first pie on your worksheet. Put your finger on it. Thank you. Excellent job. Okay, complete step 1 on your paper. Fantastic! That was a great job. Okay, can you complete step number 2? Good job. You counted those pieces. Or no, you made sure they're the right size. Sorry, I got ahead of myself. And now step number 3. Let's see you all do that. Good. Great job. Okay, and step number 4. Did you count the steps? Or did you count the shaded piece, Heidi?
Yes, I did.
There it is. Okay, good job. You wrote it down. And last but not least, let's see this next step.
Do you want us to say our fraction out loud?
Yeah, actually, let's do that. Raise your hand. Oh, Heidi, thank you for raising your hand.
It's 1/2.
Good job. Okay. Okay, so students, you're going to continue working on your worksheets. You're going to finish up. Okay, I'll be walking around the classroom to check on you. So go ahead and do that. Oh, you're working so quickly, Heidi. Thank you. You're doing a great job. Okay. All right. So for those of you that didn't finish, you're going to take it home and do it for homework, okay? But let's review what we learned today. So, Heidi, what did you learn today?
How to write fractions for different shaded pieces of pies.
Great job. That is exactly what we did. We learned how to write fractions for different pieces of pie with the number of shaded pieces over the total number of pieces of the pie. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
The number of shaded over the total. You all worked so hard. Thank you for following my directions. Let's see. Tomorrow we're going to learn. Guess what we're going to do tomorrow? Oh my goodness, it's going to be so fun. We're going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to work with chocolate bars. Because what shape are chocolate bars in?
Rectangles.
Rectangles. So tomorrow we're going to work on fractions with rectangles. Are you excited?
So excited.
Woo! Me too. Thank you for your help. I appreciate it. We'll see you tomorrow.